Hello and thank you for watching today's tutorial video. Today we're going to show you how to change the batteries on a Maxima mobility scooter by Pride. But before we get started, I just wanted to say we are doing a giveaway every 6 months. All you need to do is go to our YouTube channel and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll automatically get entered into the giveaway and we'll announce a giveaway winner every 6 months. With that being said, let's get started. Here we have the 4-wheel Maxima. You can get it in a 3-wheel version, and the battery changing process is exactly the same. You're going to start by folding the back of the seat down with the recline lever on the right side, and then picking the seat straight up. Do not tilt in any direction when picking it up or else it won't come out. You'll notice that there is a male connection at the bottom of the seat in the middle that falls right into the seat post, which is attached to the frame. So when you pick that seat up, just go straight up and you should be able to get it off. Now the battery cover that we're working with here, you do have to kind of pull outwards on the side tabs. You're going to notice some teeth. There are 2 on the front side and then 1 on the left and 1 on the right side, which go into the slits of the body panel on the floorboard. Now you're going to notice 2 big 12-volt batteries and a strap going across the 2. Just go ahead and remove that strap that's held down with Velcro. And we're going to show you here that there are 2 battery connectors with harnesses that have a black and a red cable going to the positive and the negative terminal of each battery. Since this is a 24-volt system, it requires 2 12-volt batteries. And the red and the positive wires just screw in with a Phillips head screwdriver or drill. The screws that are used on the terminals just go through a round terminal connector head. So just make sure you attach the red cable to the red terminal, that's the positive, and the black to the black when you're replacing your batteries for the negative. When you change the batteries, you want to make sure you disconnect them from the unit with those big red handles that we pulled out one at a time. Those connectors need to be removed when you're unscrewing and screwing back in the terminal screws while you're changing your batteries. The last thing you want is to have them connected and create a short. You could fry your controller that way. While we're here, we're showing you that the seat post can come up. There's a nut and a bolt used to adjust the height of the seat post, which would in turn adjust the height of the seat. There's also a circuit breaker switch right there with a little plastic bubble over it. You can use that to try and reset power. And we just wanted to point out that there are some handles on the batteries that you can use to pick them up. When you're changing the batteries, you'll notice they are pretty heavy. They are sealed lead acid batteries, just like a car battery, but smaller. They are 12-volt, 55 amp hour rated sealed lead acid batteries. You can get them on our website, and you can get them, and there are many different brands available that you can find online. When you're putting the batteries back in after replacing them, just make sure that the 2 batteries aren't too close to one another. You actually want to have them spread out further away from each other, or else the battery box cover will not go on. It'll be a little bit of a pain to try and get it back on. When you are putting that battery cover back on, just line the teeth up with the slits on the floorboard, and then the slits on the side are going to be used for the teeth on the side of the battery cover. And there's some Velcro on the back near the breaker box. Just make sure that that Velcro is connected and start to put the seat back in. The hardest part is probably putting the seat back in. It is pretty heavy. You're going to need to line up that male connection with the seat post. I like to put my hand on the male connection part so that I can also feel where the seat post is, and then just drop it in. It's as simple as that. I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Before you go, please don't forget to visit our website, mobilitydirect.com, and click on the green button that says Free Catalog to claim your very own free catalog. Just fill out the short form and it should get to you in about a week or 2 max. I just want to take this time to personally thank each and every one of you for watching this video. We couldn't do it without our subscribers. So if you like our content, please go to YouTube, search for Mobility Direct, and subscribe to our channel. You can enable notifications. That way you'll get notified whenever we release new videos. We're constantly making great videos. We have tons of playlists that range from repair videos, unboxing videos, research and development, and much, much more. If you like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and ask any questions in the comments section below. We love hearing from our audience, whether it's feedback, comments, or suggestions for a new video topic. We love hearing from you. None of this could be done without our loyal audience. We hope to hear from you. Thanks for watching again. Have a great day.